Zimbabwe today welcomed an 8-member delegation of permanent representatives to the United Nations, marking an important step in the country's bid for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council for the 2027 to 2028 United Nations term. The high-level visit reflects Harari's renewed diplomatic momentum and its commitment to re-engaging with the international community. Sarapita mashoko kubuda panguva ino tirikuona kuti as President Emmerson Mnangagwa is fighting for this high-level post as the country is soaring in deep poverty, pamwechete nemaconstitutional crisis. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Minister of Foreign Affairs Mlanyira Chiti, the ambassador's visit, which began with a tour of National Heroes Acre, carries both symbolic and strategic significance. As Zimbabwe's national shrine honoring heroes of our struggle, the site offers visiting diplomats a deeper understanding of the country's history, identity, and values. By including such landmarks in the itinerary, Zimbabwe is actively shaping its own narrative, presenting its past, present, and aspirations directly to influential global stakeholders. Hosting permanent representatives is particularly impactful because these diplomats play a key role in shaping multilateral discussions and decisions. Familiarization tours provide them with first-hand exposure to Zimbabwe's political environment, economic opportunities, and cultural richness, insights that can influence how Zimbabwe is perceived and represented within international forums. This initiative serves several critical purposes. It advances re-engagement, allowing Zimbabwe to rebuild, re-strengthen its ties. It supports image building by showcasing the country as stable, open to investment, and committed to progress. It enhances diplomatic influence, equipping UN ambassadors with the context that may inform their positions on Zimbabwe-related matters. Doma developments aripo tiona delegation ichivisita Zimbabwe. Pina comment section medu za fundo input kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.